In the last video I had forgot to mention only one thing, so this video is for that. In the last video we had seen data validation, and to do that we had to go to a new sheet, right? So when you give this sheet to someone to do the job of entering data here, what you should do is you should hide this sheet. There you go. Where's hide sheet? There you go. You should hide this sheet. Why I'm telling you to hide this sheet? Because if the sheet is open and if they change something here by mistake, for example, if they just random gibberish here, if they by mistakenly typed some random gibberish here, then see, the options have also changed. That's why you should always hide the sheets that are containing the options for filling in for the data requirements. So that was it. I'm sorry that I forgot to mention this in the last video, and thank you very much for being patient and watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.